Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Defi Dwi Cahyaningrum. You can call me Defi. At this time, I will explain about urinary system. So, let's follow my video. Did you know guys that our body's metabolism also lives behind waste? So, what happened to that waste? Of course, this all waste must be disposed of. Let's move to this slide, guys. What is urinary system? The urinary system produces, stores, and excretes urine via a filtration mechanism in which potentially harmful molecules are removed from the body. The function of urinary system there are: number 1, regulating the amount of water in the blood. Number 2, filtering waste substances or body metabolic waste. And number 3, regulating pH or acidity level of the blood. And then, the organs that play a role in the urinary system there are: 2 kidneys, 2 ureters, 1 bladder, and 1 urethra. So, how does the urinary system work? First, blood is transported to the kidneys via the renal artery, a system of filtration units within the kidney regulates level of dilution water, salts, and other small molecules in the filtrate. And then, any excess or undesired products travel through each ureter and are deposited into the reservoir of the bladder, while purified blood re-enters the circulatory system by way of the renal vein. And last, urine is stored in the bladder until the urinary nervous system releases the contents through the urethra and out of the body. You want to know more details, guys? See the next explanation. Kidney. Each kidney contains approximately 1 million nephrons. A nephron has 3 functions. Number 1 is glomerular filtration of water and solids within the blood. Number 2, tubular reabsorption is the return of water and required molecules to the circulation. And number 3, tubular secretion is secretion of waste or excess molecules, including water, into a distal tube. The next organ is ureter. Ureter are 2 narrow but relatively long tubes, approximately to 25 until 13 cm, which leave the kidneys and enter the urinary bladder. The next is bladder. The function of urinary bladder is to store and expel urine. A human bladder usually stores around 300 to 600 milliliters of urine before micturition and is controlled by the pontine micturition center of the brain. And the last is urethra. Urethra lengths different male and female urinary system. The comparatively long male urethra that runs from the bottom of the bladder to the external urethral meatus of the penis is approximately 20 cm in length. The urethra of female is only around 4 cm in length. The short length is the region where women are more susceptible to urinary tract infection than men. Let's move again, guys. Disease of urinary system. Urinary tract stones or urolithiasis is a condition when stones form in the urinary system, such as kidney stones, ureteral stones, or bladder stones. Next, kidney failure. Kidney failure can be a temporary disease or it can become chronic, resulting in the inability of the kidneys to filter waste from the blood. The disease can improve over time with treatment, but if the kidney becomes chronic, it may require dialysis treatment and even a kidney transplant. Urethritis. Urethritis is inflammation of the urethra. This condition is often caused by a bacterial infection in the urinary tract. This is the way to prevention the disease of urinary system. Number 1, drinking enough water and don't smoking. Number 2, don't hold back bowel movement. And number 3, maintain level body weight. And this is the reference that I use for this video. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.